Many times when people are in need of a computer, they'll usually go to Best Buy or someplace like that, and they'll go to the Geek Squad and they'll say, what computer should I buy? And then they'll lead them to a computer, and most times they'll go with that one. But I'm here to tell you there's an easier and more cost-efficient solution, and that's building your own computer. See, building your own computer may seem like quite the undertaking at first, but actually it's not as complex. It's not as complex as people think it is. It saves you a whole lot of money, and you can build your computer to custom fit your needs. First off, a lot of people have a preconceived idea that building your own computer, only engineers can do that, but that's just not true. See, building your own computer isn't that complex because you get all these different parts, and they come with detailed instructions that you use to put your computer together. So it's fairly simple. These parts that you buy for your computer, they're made to be easy to assemble, which makes it easier for people who aren't as inclined with computers. Many various websites exist out there that have very, very detailed guides that help people put together these computers with relative ease. According to Dan Graziano on CNET, if you take your time and do proper research, building a PC isn't all that scary. See, that just goes to show that people have this preconceived idea that PCs are very difficult to build. But it's not true at all, because if you do the research, it really can be quite simple. Second, you can save a whole lot of money by building your own computer. Brian Benton from LineShape Square says, high-end parts have a higher markup, which basically means that if you're getting a high-end computer that you're going to buy pre-built, those are going to be way more expensive than it needs to be. Because if you go and buy your parts individually and then you put them together, you can find so many more deals and sales on the internet that you wouldn't find with a pre-built. And then as time goes on, you can get these parts and put them together, and you might have saved hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Because companies raise prices on these high-end computers because they have to make a profit on it. Also, you can make your computer to custom fit your needs. Like many students, some may go into editing, which they would need a better processor with that. And if you just want to play games, you would need a better video card. And building your own computer, you can pick these parts to suit your needs. An individual from RPS, Jeremy Lard, says, without doubt, self-build gives you greater control over your specifications. Which is very true, because you can go to the internet and there are websites that exist that say whether these parts are compatible, and you can buy these parts and then you'll be able to put them together and they'll suit your individual needs. Finally, Jamie Lendino from Extreme Tech says that building your PC is as rewarding as ever. So basically, this is saying that building your computer, yes, you're getting a computer out of it, but you're also getting so much more, because you get knowledge and you get the satisfaction of building your computer. Like, I made this, this is mine, and you don't get that with a pre-built. And it's also it's very nice to actually have knowledge of how a computer works and how it builds and how it runs. So finally, if you build your own computer, you are able to save money. You can fit your specific needs, and it's a very simple process. And that's why you should build a computer instead of buying your own pre-built one. Thank you.